What's up, everybody? Welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I restarted my timer. I restarted everything because it's the Pomodoro clock. Not yet, obviously, but I restarted it because there was too much going on. I wasn't able to do it. I was using React, right? I could probably pull it up if do I have it? No. But it looks something similar to this right here. Very similar to this right here. I took the inspiration from here. This is the example that they have. So what I tried and didn't work, I did everything. I added icons, everything. At the very end, I was working on the timer, and what I started noticing and what I've been learning from the think like a programmer, like the problem solving methods, the techniques or whatever. So let's say run test, right? This one passes all the tests. It goes through a bunch of tests, 29 tests, 29 tests. This one takes a while compared to the other one. It actually does stuff. There you go. Alright. So as you can see, these are all the tests that it does. So what was I getting to? I was making it, I was building it in order of the test. But now that I know, it's better to read all the tests, and this is what your timer is supposed to do, but not build it in that order. Because I got to a certain point, I don't know what number it was. I think it was 18 or something like that, and it was time to create the timer. That was the most difficult part, so I should have done that first. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm creating the timer. There's no CSS. It's only this and the HTML. Very simple HTML. You just got the buttons. I had a start and a stop button. I started very simple. I literally started with no buttons. I started like this. Can I get the number 5 to display on there? Boom. Alright. And then what did I do after? I added one button. I think it was the start. And then I just had it go secondly. Also, something that helps a lot is modifying it. For some reason, I had it under 1 second when I was testing it, so that didn't really help. So now I have it on like, I think I have it on 1/10 of a second. So do I start it or less actually? You can see it goes very fast. Yeah, no, I do have it on 1/10 of a second on here. I have it really fast, so that way I can do tests. I can like run a test, like make changes. As you can see, when it goes to single digits, there's no 0 in front of it, because all that's not needed except for this one. Well, that's not a double. It's supposed to be a double 0. This one's supposed to be a double 0 on the right side. None of that's gonna happen right now yet, because right here, this is the order, and then I'll add stuff like, yeah, just add it, little simple steps. But at first, it wasn't a countdown; it was just a count up, just to test things out. And then I added the reset, and now I added the increments. But I haven't added any increment. I've added this right here. I've gotten the increment IDs, but I haven't added increment or decrement functions. We'll see how those go. And as you can notice, it's only session. So the plan as of now is to do that, get it all together, and then make 2 timers. Make another one for the break. And then at the very end, somehow combine them. There's gonna be 2 timers, right? 4 buttons on each side. And then somehow combine them into just 4 buttons all together, and then just 2 timers. Actually, 1 timer, but oh, I still have to add the. Right now it's manual input. Right here, I have the minutes. So if I wanted to do 6, I have to change it there, and I have to change it right here on the reset. 1, 2, 3. Actually, 3 places that I have to change it. Right here, right there, and over here. So I need to add it. Also need to add that. So see, like, there's so many things. One step at a time, though, is what's working for me right now. So yeah, the timer. I don't know why. I thought for some reason there's like some sort of library where you can just call like a simple like timer function, and it'll just pop up for you. Cause that's pretty obvious. But then there's also date. It's also date. You can be like let now, and then you create a new date. I thought somehow I could use that. Maybe I could, but too late now. I'm gonna try it this way. If not, then I'll try it some other way. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.